Okay, hello everyone. My name is Tan Jingming. So today I would like to demonstrate the process of creating a herbarium collection. So what is herbarium? A herbarium is a scientific collection of preserved plant specimens that are used for study and reference. So the term of my herbarium is leaf size variation. Well, I will compare plant with small, medium and large leaf. So in this video, I will demonstrate the complete process including the specimen collection, preservation, mounting, labeling and display. So while following the ethical and safe practice. Okay, so before we start, first we need to check the position. So if you on a private land or in a national park, you need to explicit consent. See, now I am in a designated sustainable use area, so we are good to do. Okay, so for the specimen collection, I select ornamental plants commonly found in garden and public place. So I will focus on choosing the plant with clearly different size of leaf to match my theme. So let's go to find out the leaf. Oh, I found the leaf that I want. Yes. So before we start to pack the leaf for our project, we must take care some technique and safety practice.
So pulling the plant is prohibited. Instead, we use scissors to cut the plant to avoid injury and prevent damage to the plant structure. Then, wearing gloves is very crucial to protect our hands from possible allergens, thorns, or plant set. I collect only a small portion of each plant and avoid rare, endangered, or protect species. This ensures that the natural environment is not harmed. After that, we need to record the time and the place that we cut the leaf for our future labeling process. After collection, the next step is preservation. This process is important to prevent decay and maintain the plant structure. Start with the base. Use a piece of cardboard for this project. Put down the first layer of paper. This will be the bed for the plants. Next, place the plants. Arrange them so they lay down and can be seen clearly. Then, put a layer of tissue paper on the top of the plant. This helps absorb the water. After that, add another piece of thick paper to keep everything flat. Keep stacking the layer like a sandwich. The cardboard between each plant is very important because it has small spaces that let the air flow, helping the plant dry faster. Finally, close the folder and place some heavy book on top. Use enough weight to press the plant flat, but not too much, so that the plant will not damage. Then, we need to place them into a dry and suitable environment to accelerate the drying process. Once the specimens are completely dry, they are ready to be mounted. This step is important to preserve the plant and display it clearly. First, prepare the materials. We will need the mounting sheet, glue or tape, scissors, and a label. Carefully place the dry plants on the mounting sheet. Arrange the leaf neatly so all parts can be seen clearly. Make sure nothing is overlapping. Next, gently attach the plant to the paper. we can use a small drop of glue or thin strip of tape. Be careful not to use too much, as it may damage the specimen. Next, we need to take a clear photo of each leaf, and then use a Google Lens to scan the image and obtain information about the leaf. After this, we need to label the herbarium to provide the scientific information about the specimen. So for example, we need to label the scientific name, common name, family, habitat, date of collection, and a brief description for the leaf. After that, print the information and carefully cut them out. Then, paste them onto the herbarium and decorate it neatly for a more presentable and attractive final product. Lastly, carefully cover the entire herbarium with a layer of plastic wrap to protect it from dust, moisture, and physical damage, ensuring that the contents remain well preserved and in good condition for a longer period of time. Finally, I arrange all specimens according to my theme, which is a leaf size variation. The specimens are organized from the small to large leaf to make the comparison easier. This arrangement enhances both the scientific value and visual presentation of the herbarium.
So, in conclusion, this herbarium project demonstrates the important scientific skills such as systematic correction, proper preservation, accurate labeling, and also the organized presentation. So by following the ethical and safe practice, we can study the plant diversity responsibility without harming the environment. So that's all from this video. Thank you very much.